Understanding picking season in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, picking season. This term is not just about plucking fruits from trees. It's a phrase rich in cultural and contextual meaning. So, let's dive in and unpack what picking season really means. Picking season refers to the time of year when fruits, vegetables, or crops are ripe and ready to be harvested. It's a term often used in agricultural contexts. But there's more to it than just farming. It symbolizes a period of opportunity and hard work, where the efforts put into planting and nurturing culminate in a rewarding harvest. Historically, picking season has been a crucial time for farming communities. It represents not just harvest but a time of community gathering, festivals, and celebrations. In many cultures, this season is marked by special events and traditions, celebrating the bounty and the hard work of the farmers. In a metaphorical sense, picking season can refer to any period of reaping benefits from prior efforts. It could be used in a business context to denote a time of significant profit or in personal growth to signify reaping the rewards of one's hard work and perseverance. As language learners, understanding phrases like picking season helps in comprehending the cultural nuances of English. It's not just about literal meanings. It's about understanding the context, the history, and the metaphorical extensions that enrich a language. So, there you have it, the various shades of meaning behind picking season. It's a phrase that captures the essence of hard work, timing, and celebration. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds more flavor to your English language journey. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.